Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in. I'm back with another job lead. Hey, ADTALEM Global Education is currently hiring. Go to careers.adtalem.com. I'll put the link in the description of this video. You can click on it and come check out all of the open opportunities that is currently open for this global education company. It says about us, institutions and companies, our mission, vision, and purpose, the newsroom, benefits. You have the tab for diversity, culture, and values, and you have jobs. So you can click on here and search by jobs, or you can click on here and search by category. And we're going to go down the list here. It says applying here could change your life. Working here will change the lives of others. You could type in here what you're looking for and search career opportunities. You can click on here to see all of the latest jobs, our values, our brands. It says hashtag we at ADTALEM. At ADTALEM Global Education, we seek to empower students and members to achieve their goals, find success, and make inspiring contributions to our global community. At ADTALEM is a leading healthcare educator that partners with organizations to proactively address future workforce needs and empowers career development with access to world-class academic curriculums, certifications, and training programs across the medical and healthcare industries. So you go to ADTALEM Global Education Teach Values. Our values play a key factor in our collaborative culture. So TEACH is an acronym for teamwork, energy, accountability, community, and heart. We put the team first, appreciate diverse points of views, assume positive intent, and communicate and collaborate openly. Energy, we move quickly, learn from mistakes, build positive spirit, and always look for better way. Accountability, we take ownership and initiative, demonstrate courage as we speak up and act with integrity in all that we do. Community, we operate with a shared sense of responsibility and purpose and enrich colleagues, students, and broader community we serve. Heart, we serve students and each other with passion, respect, and care. These are the ADTALEM brands here. You have American University of the Caribbean Schools, Chamberlain University, Ross University, Walden University, and their awards. They have been awarded for the best employees of diversity. This is the Responsible American Most company here and has top diversity employer. And these are some of the sole roles you might be interested in. For instance, there's senior corporate counsel integrity, coordinator HR, groundskeeper, associate dean of nursing. It says education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Malcolm X. We believe in empowering students to achieve their goals, find success, and make inspiring contributions to our global community. So, guys, if you were to view all, it would just lead you over to all of the open roles. There are 434 results. So if you just scroll through here, you will see what's available. They have a lot of remote roles here. So just come in here, and if you want to just type in a particular type, full-time, part-time, institution, this is where if you look through here, you can scroll through and see there are 306 jobs at Chamberlain University, 12 at American University. ADTALEM has 43. Ross has 29. Ross University of Medicine has 15. This is Ross University of Veterinary Medicine, and Walden has 29. Both of these have 29. And then if you click on the category, you can see all the open categories here, what's available in all of the categories. And if you click on locations, these are the locations. So they're hiring worldwide, United States, America, Caribbean, and England. So guys, come to this link that's in the description. You click on it, you come over here and search at ADTALEM. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. Guys, super congrats to anybody who gets one of these amazing roles. I thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. You are amazing. Guys, most importantly, make it an amazing day for someone else. Please like this video, guys, so it shows up in the news feed. Or you can share this video, or you can do both. Like and share this video with somebody who's looking for a job lead. Guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. You are the best. Love you lots, friends. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now, friends.